Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the AWS outage. Why Netflix did not go down during the AWS outage? Netflix cloud strategy that has shocked the industry. See here, actually, we all know a few days back there is a big outage from the AWS. See here, it's completely crashed actually. Here, when AWS experienced an outage, many global services go offline. But Netflix built almost entirely on AWS, continuously streaming without interruption. Here, how their architecture achieve maximum uptime and resilience. See here, maximum actually Netflix Cloud Foundation on AWS actually they mostly using EC2, S3, EBS, and Amazon VPC plus Route F3 only. See, based on these services only, they are managing. But Netflix, these core primitives instead of relying on every AWS managed services, they focus on control, automation, and redundancy. Here you can see this is a very important concept actually. Multi-region resilience strategy. Here actually there is a strategies resilience level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. See here, level 1 means it's a single region and single availability zone. All systems in one place only. This is the downtime risk is very high, very high. And level 2, single region and multi availability zones. Multiple data centers in one region. It's like a downtime risk is it's a medium. And level 3, active passive multi region. Backup region ready but inactive. It's like a moderate. And level 4 means what we are using currently actually. See, active multi region, both regions server live traffic. For example, if one region is crashed, another region is it's going on like it's active. That means, for example, if something is crashed in one region, mean safely we can get into the another region. So here that's it's very low. And level 5, it's a Netflix. Active independent. See here, it's a independent means Netflix never depend on any other cloud. So here what we going to notice that Netflix design their own strategy. That means that own cloud strategy. Here each region fully autonomous, extremely low. See here, Netflix runs on at level 5. It's like a gold standard for the cloud reliability. Even if the entire AWS region goes down, Netflix stays online through the independent regional deployment. I hope you guys understand. And Netflix internal cloud platform. Netflix does not rely on AWS DevOps tools like EKS, Code Pipeline, or API Gateway. They build they built in-house cloud ecosystems for more control and automation. See here, they have designed their own orchestration, like their own architecture they have designed. See, they never depend on any other cloud. Here, how they design. Just if you guys have some idea about AWS, here just I will explain you. Here, Titus. Titus means they have designed. Titus means it's like a EKS. Here, how we are going to deploy the imagine EKS, right? So like that only Titus they have designed their own. This is like a container orchestration for millions of workloads. I hope you understand. Spinnaker means it's like a DevOps, AWS code pipeline. For example, build, test, deploy. We will do in AWS, right? So here they have their own pipeline like a Spinnaker. That's called like CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment as well. Canary deployment also they have using. Canary deployment means you people, right, like Istio. See, it's like a gradual deployment. The completely, it will be in production only, like gradual, like 10% and 20%, 30%, 50 and 70, 100, something like gradual wise. They will release and test actually. So that one further class I will explain you what is your each and everything I will explain you. And Eureka means it's like a route 53. See, Route 53 and Cloud Map, like service discovery and health monitoring. Uh, Joule, here AWS Gateway. See, in we will call in AWS Gateway, but in Netflix called Joule. This is for routing, load balancing, and request filtering. And this is like iStrix means like a service app mess. Like sorry, it's like a AWS app mess, like a circuit breaker for the fault isolation, etc. Something like that they will use actually. So here Netflix built a cloud within the cloud. See, Netflix built a cloud within the cloud. Their ecosystem gives a fine-grained control, speed and reliability. That means they completely, it's like on-prem. Completely, everything in their control only. Everything in their control only. And Netflix container platform, see, deployment base runs on EC2 instance, managed Kubernetes services, and integration deeply tied with the Spinnaker, Eureka, and charge tools, like tightly integrated with the AWS ecosystems. And customization highly customized for the Netflix scale workloads and standard Kubernetes. So these are all you can go through. You can understand that. And see, Titus was designed a long before EKS exists. Oh my God! See, here here they have designed before EKS exists. అంటే ఈకేఎస్ రాకముందే టైటస్ అనేటటువంటిది ఆల్రెడీ డిజైన్ చేసి పెట్టుకున్నారు వాళ్ళు. And still powers Netflix massive fault-tolerant workloads today. Okay, so this is now based on that only completely end to end they're going to handle. And network, so Netflix zero trust policy. That means never trust, never verify. All internal requests require the authentication like secure microservice communication, TLS everywhere, and the least privileges like IAM restrict for the service and users. Vendor independence. Netflix IAM operate separately from the AWS IAM. That means here they have their own IAM tool they have designed, but they never follow from the AWS. But they have follow from the AWS, but they have designed their own. See, full control, no vendor lock-in. See, full control, no vendor lock-in. The entire ecosystem completely under the Netflix control only. But that means nothing, nothing can control from the Netflix. Zero trust means Netflix does not automatically trust even AWS itself, ensuring completely securing and autonomy. Okay, choice engineering, Netflix way. Netflix test reliability by intentionally breaking the things in production. Okay, that means see, choice monkey. Choice monkey means what? For example, if for sometimes a server down, up, some things are failures and something automatic, like we can see many things in our production or QA and dev environment, right? So that kind of things called monkey, choice monkey. The people will call choice monkey. So randomly shut down EC2 instance and test recovery. See, this kind of things called choice monkey. Latency monkey means adds artificial latency to uh, simulate slow networks. And conformity monkey and doctor monkey, choice monkey, these are all things only Netflix. They have their own engineering that's called choice engineer. These tools make sure Netflix can survive any outage. So by using these tools, network, whenever AWS go down any kind of situation, by using these tools, Netflix can handle without outage. Okay, Netflix end-to-end architecture. See, end-to-end architecture, client layer, user interfaces of for streaming like TV, mobile, and browser, edge layer. See, they have using these tools, and service recovery layer they have using Eureka, like finds health microservices and dynamically, and resilience layer, Itrix, compute layer, Titus on EC2, data layer, Cassandra and MySQL, streaming analytics, Kafka, Spark, EMR, Elasticsearch, data pipeline recommendations and insights, Charge layer, Charge Monkey and Charge Kong. These are all things. See, together, these are all globally available, self-healing and zero downtime. With zero downtime. See, Netflix survive AWS outages. See here, multi-region active-active design. Already I explained. Each region is independent and self-sufficient. Oh my God, self-sufficient. See, and custom cloud stack. Titus, Zuul, Spinnaker, Eureka replace AWS tools. Okay, already I explained, right? By using these tools, yeah, see, Titus means in AWS EKS, but here Titus. So like that only they have replaced actually zero trust security, vendor dependent, authenticated by the default. Already by default only they have configuration everything. Choice engineering failure is part of the testing process. Okay, Netflix does not design for perfection; it design for graceful failures. See how how are they designing? These take it from the engineers. See here also you can see the all here resilience is not avoiding failures. It's observing it without breaking. I hope these are all things. You have understand that. If you have any doubts, please comment. I will reply back to you, and please subscribe for more. Thank you, thank you very much.